Phoenix Contact TRIO3 power supplies are now available from Sager Electronics. The TRIO3 power is an all-purpose solution for machine building and systems manufacturing with an integrated multi-channel circuit breaker, configurable outputs, and flexible operation for NEC Class II circuits. The TRIO power supplies offer input voltages ranging from 110 to 500 volts AC, with output power options as high as 960 watts. The robust and reliable starting of high loads is supported by powerful output characteristic curves and a dynamic boost rating of up to 1,440 watts. Safe operation is provided with a wide temperature range and overload protection that drops the problematic channels in the event of an overload. Push-in connection technology, marking fields, and stripping identification allow easy handling of this space-saving frame. Smart diagnostics with multicolor LEDs and grouping contacts ensure seamless operation. Phoenix Contact offers a standard 5-year warranty for TRIO power supplies, along with a limited lifetime warranty when paired with an input and output Phoenix Contact surge protection device. To learn more about Phoenix Contact TRIO3 power supplies, visit Sager.com.